How to fix WhatsApp message not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp message not showing on Android phone. First go to settings and then click apps and now apps again, and now just here type WhatsApp, click on it and it's easy. Now just go to storage, clear cache, and go to data usage and enable background data. This one you will find it like that, enable it, and if that doesn't fix your problem just click here permissions, enable storage, enable it, maybe you'll find it like that and enable it. And now just all you need to do, just close all the apps in the background and then just wait, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.